Ha kawai ke Jingja accident Uwei Ubriu, ulam Mynsaw Jur hadian ba kawai ke Kali Swift, kabadon new number AS not Uwei KCRR nyon Rio, kala Kylla Lyndang Hapdeng Surok ba National Highway, halum umpi Sning. Kat kum ke jingpe balayo lum, laong bakani ke Jingja kala jia hinin ke janmiet, jong ka arpu saw terik jemang arjar arpun Rio. Ha kapor kumba arbaje AA janmiet, ha kaba kate ke Kali Swift, balanya adu unayan mani barwa, na Asam, kadang hiar na Shillong menet gohti, Hinre na mar ke jing suba Jingher Sted, kawai ke Taiar Khmat jong kakali, kalapan, bat unongnya umla bante lakam syu ya kakali, hadu bakenda Kylla Lyndang Hapdeng Surok. Hagate kakali, kidon kumban riungut kibashong bat uwei na preng jongki ula Mynsaw Jur, bat pinkit mador syo Sning CHC, bat namar ke Jingjur ke Jing Mynsaw, la pinkin riak no syo Bethany Hospital Nongpoh, banyo ya ke Jing sumar ka bakham bniah. Nakaliang kipulit ko Sning Police Station, kidang pinlong ke Jing toket halor kate ke Jingjia.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.